Hello, my name is Joe Lawton and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making spinach pasta dough using our A3500 and I'm using a 48-ounce wet container. Let's go over a list of our ingredients. We have our flour here, some spinach, olive oil, eggs, salt, and pepper. Okay, so for our first step, we're going to remove our lid and we're going to add our ingredients, starting with our eggs and olive oil into our machine. And then we're also going to put our spinach on top of this mixture as well. I'm going to go ahead and secure our lid, and we're going to select variable speed 1. So turn our machine on, wake it up. Variable speed 1 goes all the way to 10. We're going to just run it on our variable speed 1. Turn it on, and we're going to slowly increase to our high speed for about 20 seconds. Okay, once that's mixed up, we are now going to add our flour and our salt and pepper to the mixture. Salt and our pepper. And then we're going to place the lid back on the machine, and we're going to select variable 3. Just turn the knob just over 3 ticks. Turn that machine on, and we're going to press the on and off or pulse feature 5 to 6 times for this. So we're going to use our pulse feature. So you can notice here what this is doing, it's removing all of the flour and all of the mixture off of the sides of the container. And eventually it's going to start forming a ball in our container. Now it might take a couple of extra times for you to be able to hit this pulse feature. I'm going to remove the lid, use a flat spatula and just scrape the sides just to assist in the process here, all the way around each side. But again, you want to get all of the dough off of the sides of the container. So again, we're going to put it on a variable 3 and pulse a few more times. And you see how that creates a ball? It's spinning on the top of the blades there. Now almost everything is off of the blades, and that's exactly what we're looking for. All right, and this is exactly what we're looking for. Our next couple steps is we're going to remove this and put it on a floured working space. We're going to knead that dough for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then we're going to take that and put it in some plastic wrap and let that sit for about a half an hour. And there is your dough.